Eyes are actually one of the most important parts of the face. The eyes are what connote emotion. When the eyes don't smile, it doesn't matter what you do with your mouth. You can smile like this. If your eyes aren't smiling, you don't look as if you're smiling. Your eyes definitely show the most emotion of any part of the face. They also show your character, and obviously when we look at people, that's where we look first, is the eyes. We don't look at the nose, we don't look at the freckle or the mole on the cheek, we don't look at the nasolabial folds, we look straight at the eyes. When you make eye contact, that's when you connect with a person's emotion. So obviously, cosmetically, this is the most important part of the body, of the face. So why bother to do anything else? We can all wear a hijab, and we just have our eyes showing, and that's it done. You'd be amazed at women. I was in Turkey and we saw women from Saudi who wear the full black niqab but just the eyes showing, and yet if you look closely, their eyes were perfect, absolutely perfect. The eyebrows were like artwork, carefully crafted, tattooed and painted. The eyelashes beautiful. So there's a lot to be said for just working on your eyes. This is talking about finding the balance between movement and beauty. We could freeze everybody's face completely. We could literally paralyze all the muscles. We would have no movement. No wrinkles would show. But would that be beautiful? No. You have to have some movement. So the art of cosmetic work around the eyes is to make sure that there's just enough movement to still look a little bit emotional. You can still raise your eyebrows. You still smile a little bit at the corners of your eyes, because this shows interest in you when you raise your eyebrows. Smile shows that you're happy. If you can't smile and you can't lift your eyebrows, you look cold and unfriendly. So this is the problem with overdoing certain cosmetics. These are two characteristic, not enough movement. You can see the entire forehead is completely frozen. And not only is it frozen, but in here you can see slightly dropped. That's known as the bat. When you drop your brow and you raise up and point your eyebrows, you look like a bat. Has she done it again? No. She now makes sure that her neurotoxin, her neuromodulator is well balanced and is not overdone. Both of these are overdone. You can see, and that's dropped there and peaked over there. And so smooth here that it's just shiny. And it's not a look.